and welcome back. Today we are talking about how to install Kodi on a Firestick, Android, easiest, fastest method. Now, if you guys are brand new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I always try to get you guys the latest and greatest stuff. Kodi is a very, very good streaming media app. I don't know if it's still available on Xbox. I know it was, and they took it out and then they put it back. The media player is one of the strongest devices out there. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get it on there so that way you guys get hooked up. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do an extremely simple setup on this one. To get the K app, this is going to be very, very easy. Again, this is a video media player. There's nothing in there when we get it. So, yeah, it's actually a very powerful media player, just like VLC and just like some of these other web players. It's pretty good. So we're going to come here to Downloader, and of course they have a short code. So the one that we are going to use is 35625. So 35625. Now, once you're done, you want to go ahead and hit OK, hit go. And this thing is going to do its thing. It says AFTV shortcode. It's going to say Kodi.tv download Android. So this is coming from the official store. So just give it a few seconds. It's going to start launching. And this one looks like it didn't launch automatically. Most of the time it normally does, but here you go. You have the 64-bit or the 32-bit. I'm going to go ahead and get the 64-bit. All you got to do is just click on it and it's going to start downloading. So it gives you the options of what it is that you want depending on your device. Now, when you do get this, you might have something like this that says, are you sure? You want to go to settings, and then it's going to open up this. You want to go to about, make sure you do click on this so that way you are a developer. Click on back, developer options, and then just turn this on. Go to install unknown apps, turn that on, and then just hit the back button and then come here and hit install. That is just an extra step that they did. So just to be sure that you know what it is that you're installing. Once you have that turned on, hit install, and then you should be good to go. If it does say app was not installed, then that means you have to get a different version. So let's go ahead and try the 32-bit so that way you guys can see exactly how that looks like. So I did want to show you guys that when you do get an error, that's what happens. That means it's not a compatible version. You might have to try another one. And there you go. Once you're done, it's installed. You go ahead and open it. And it says it requires access to your device files, your media, so that way it could function properly. So all you have to do is just hit allow. And then there it is. Now, there's so many things here that you can do. I'm not going to get into the details of what everything that the app does. But there it is. Man, I have not used this in such a long time. But as you can see, there's nothing in here. When you connect if you have this like an in-house server, or if you're using another app and you're using this as a web player, as a media player, then there's a lot of things that you can do here. But again, as just the player itself, there is nothing on here. There's absolutely nothing on there. So I typically like to come back here and hit delete because I do not want to keep the file just sitting there. And the reason for that is just because it houses data that I don't want it to have more data taken away from my device. So that's what I do. And that's exactly how you install Kodi. Extremely simple. And I hope you guys appreciate today's episode. It was going to be extremely easy, and I mean extremely easy on how to do this one. Straight to the point. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys are doing well. You guys take care of each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one.